In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by downloading your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In those settings, scroll all the way down and click on Apps. Then select Default Apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now click on your new downloaded one to apply it and go back. As you can see, after that, my app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!